Righto guys, there's enough videos around. All I could find was the ones that tell you to change that plug out when it burns out on your FG Falcon. I had the dash out, been doing a bit of testing because mine was not looking great, but also not my problem because this wire wasn't getting its earth. I found, and I'm here to report on the other FG Falcon fan motor problem. It's also a connector, but it's actually the next one down the line. So I figured out that earth comes from over here on this module and it plugs in up the back there. So same deal, we'll whack a couple of new connectors on it. Hopefully this video helps you while you're wading through all the other videos that tell you to change that connector out and that's not your problem. Here's the next one. I guess just to let you know as well, the symptom for this one was just beautiful cold aircon, waiting to pick the kids up from school, and then just dead stop. No air, no airflow. Not sure if the compressor cut out, would have been too hard to tell, but yeah, just dead stop. My dash is actually cooked, so I couldn't really tell what's going on there, but basically the symptom up there looked like I had no temperature readout. So you get your external temperature readout up in the top corner here, and mine was just nothing. It was just degrees C without a number, so that dropped on me too.